Among the languages, the better, the shorter, the easier forms would survive in literature. When I read this and when I see the Tirukkural, see what is Tirukkural? The better, the shorter and the easier form. Tirukkural is in 7 words. Repeatedly, I used to wonder. Many times I have cried in my room when I see the Tirukkural. The design of the book. What a design it is. Extraordinary design. Why it is in 7 words? Why can't Valluvar use 8 words, 9 words? I used to put questions on Tirukkural which is looks very different angle. Is Tiruvalluvar not having any respect for his teacher? Because he has not mentioned his teacher. We always teach our students, remember us, and one student used to say, Tiruvalluvar never remembered his teacher. It's a beautiful design, it's an extraordinary design. When you see the car numbers, how it is written, I used to, when I was in psychology BSc, one question was that, why the car numbers are TN014732? Why? Because when you are going in a walk and there is an accident and the car goes faster, your brain can only grasp things for within 4 letters it will grasp. If your phone number is written on your car, all accidents are safe and those who are driving are safe, nobody can remember. They don't write the cell number in the car, they write 3N41, 4 numbers will be there because the human span of attention in one week get it. Why I say this here? There are some people who think they are very knowledgeable. So you give it to one person who is a Nobel laureate in a great language, some English man who is a Nobel laureate. You just give him, sir, Tirukkural, sir. Okay, Tirukkural. Okay. This is how they regard. Even in this glimpse, he would have read one Quran. That is the greatness. And Tirukkural can be sent by cell phone, as an SMS. It is easy to remember. It is designed so that your brain can easily grasp it. You can teach students easily Tirukkural. It has a design, inbuilt design to take it easily into the brain. So that is one point which I want to take at this point. So you can understand what Charles Darwin said 2000 years before. Valluvar was aware of it. Valluvar has written it in an easier form, in a very short form, in a well-designed form. When we go in the depth of the presentations, you can see how he has chosen the words so carefully. He has even excluded using the word Tamil because he has a different purpose. Okay.